The forthcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is on the cusp of transforming the smartphone paradigm with its avant-garde design, innovative features, and unmatched performance. As revealed by the latest render from Ice Universe, a trusted and acclaimed leaker, this device is poised to shatter existing norms and establish novel benchmarks. The S25 Ultra's design language is characterized by rounded edges deviating from the sharp corners of its predecessor while retaining the distinctive boxy Galaxy Note silhouette. This subtle yet significant refinement lends the device a more refined and sophisticated appearance, setting it apart from its contemporaries. The S25 Ultra is expected to boast an array of cutting-edge features, including a large 6.99-inch display, GPU interpolation technology, and the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. This potent combination is anticipated to deliver unparalleled performance, redefining the boundaries of mobile gaming and productivity. With the S25 Ultra, Samsung is poised to challenge the existing smartphone hierarchy, pushing the limits of innovation and user experience. As the device's release approaches, anticipation builds for a revolutionary leap in smartphone technology, one that will forever alter the landscape of mobile devices. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra marks a deliberate design shift, embracing rounder edges that deviate from the sharp corners of its predecessor. This subtle yet significant refinement preserves the iconic boxy Galaxy Note silhouette, ensuring a seamless visual continuity. The rounded edges not only enhance the device's ergonomic appeal, but also contribute to a more refined and sophisticated appearance. Samsung is also focused on achieving slimmer bezels, a design element that could potentially rival the iPhone 16 Pro Max for the title of the smartphone, the slimmest bezels. This deliberate design choice aims to create a more immersive user experience with a greater screen-to-body ratio that draws the user deeper into the visual content. By minimizing bezel width, Samsung is poised to deliver a more captivating and engaging visual experience. Larger display and enhanced performance. The S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a 6.99-inch display, matching the screen size of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, this device promises significant performance improvements over the previous generation. The combination of this processor and GPU interpolation technology could enable demanding games to run at higher settings, bridging the gap between mobile and PC/console gaming. AI upscaling and PC-level gaming. The AI upscaling feature, potentially available on devices with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 through a software update, could further enhance the gaming experience. With the S25 Ultra, Samsung is poised to deliver PC and console-level gaming capabilities, making it a powerhouse of performance. Expected release date and conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to make a groundbreaking entrance in early 2025, promising to redefine the smartphone landscape. As the release date approaches, anticipation builds around this revolutionary device, which is expected to shatter existing norms and establish novel benchmarks. The S25 Ultra's focus on design, performance, and gaming capabilities positions it as a game-changer in the industry. Its refined aesthetics, cutting-edge features, and unparalleled performance are set to captivate users and leave a lasting impact. With the S25 Ultra, Samsung is poised to revolutionize the smartphone industry, pushing the boundaries of innovation and user experience. As the device's release draws near, users can expect a seamless fusion of style, substance, and functionality. As the launch date approaches, stay tuned for more updates, leaks, and insights into the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Get ready to experience the future of smartphones, where design, performance, and gaming converge to create an unparalleled mobile experience. The S25 Ultra is set to change the game. Be prepared to witness the dawn of a new era in smartphones.